Oh, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah. Dim the lights.
Good morning. If you're new here, my name is Jackie, and I love to do hauls, some makeup looks, some fashion inspo, little home decor. Basically, it's been a lot of hauls, but I wanted to start this vlog because I want to start getting ready for Vlogmas. I did this look and I did film it. I'm gonna cut into it in a little bit, but I'm wearing animal print and some red pants, so I don't know where this blue came from, but I had already put up the clothes yesterday that I wanted to wear today. Anyways, so I got a package in the mail yesterday from AliExpress. I haven't ordered from AliExpress in like 5 years. When I first moved up here, I was buying statement necklaces, earrings, bracelets, watches, so much jewelry. And I'm always getting alerts that they're having a sale and stuff. So I was like, let me just see. So I got a package yesterday, and yesterday I had to go to the doctor to do blood work. When I got home, my husband was furious. So the lady, I don't know who this lady was that delivered the package. Instead of coming down the driveway, she came down the grass, and then she couldn't see. She almost hit a tree. Then she tried to back out and almost hit the bushes. And my husband was like, wow, what are you doing? What? And she was like, oh, I'm sorry. GPS said go down here, not on the grass. So I want to see what it looks like, because he was so pissed. And he was like, what the hell is this? And I was like, I don't know. So I ordered this pin, right? You see this pin? Look how pretty she is. But I had ordered, I think, like 7 or 8 pins, all different women with hats, very like, because I want to add them to the blazers. I want to add them to my coats. I want to be like, you know, this is like 1985, but it's beautiful. She's so pretty. She's so like 3D, like you see her this way with her hat. So I also picked up these sponges that my husband has been looking for I don't know how long. You put it, it's got like, I'm gonna add an image of it. So he uses it when he shines his tires, and it's rounded like the shape of the tire. You just go whoop. And we've gone to like AutoZone, Pep Boys, and all these other places, and ain't nobody got that sponge. So when I saw it, I was like, Jack, it's a sign. Get him the sponges and get yourself some pins. So when he comes home today and he's like, you know, look at the grass, what the hell was in that package? I'm gonna be like, your sponges. I'm not gonna say my pin. I'm gonna be like, your sponges. So yes, I'm gonna head out. So I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I want to go to TJ Maxx because, like everybody's saying, Liz is getting everybody addicted. I just want to see what they got. I'm on the hunt for blue Christmas decor because my husband wants to do blue. I really don't want to do blue. I want to do just the white and the gold, the silver mirrors, you know, but we're gonna try for the blue. So there's a house. Jack, walk and talk. Con Dios y la Virgen. So there's a house over there that has, let me see if I can see how she came down, because I don't see. Maybe it wasn't as bad. Oh no, I could see it. Yeah. She almost went right into the pool. She would have broke the pool. Oh my God. I just don't understand how you go through the grass like that. This is right next to where you came down. Like, that is just crazy to me. It is just crazy. Anyways, so there's a house over there that has these blue lights outside, and it's a beautiful blue, like a royal cobalt kind of blue. There's another house that has these blue lights, but they look kind of purple, and I'm not really trying to do purple. But the blue that we saw looks very nice, very, very nice. So I want to see if TJ Maxx has, you know, I got these gift cards and I might as well use them and see if they got like some pretty blue like ornaments and stuff. And then I'll take a look at Walmart, because I know Walmart has like that big box, you know, those big bins. Yeah, this sun is strong. So yeah, I want to try to do some blue, but I don't know. If I don't find too much stuff, I'm gonna do a mix of, I don't know. But yeah, so that is the plan. So while I drive, I'm gonna cut into this makeup look. It's just gonna be a little piece, and then if you see me dancing, I was watching Nezzy while I was getting ready, and she was playing these songs, and I was like, ooh girl, yes. I don't know how she played it, because I'm always afraid to put music on and get demonetized, but I'll sing with her. So yeah, let's cut into that. So I came to get some prescription, and look at these free for 12 bucks. Well, needless to say, I didn't go to TJ Maxx, but I am gonna go tomorrow. I just want to show you guys. I saw a couple of things in CVS that I did like those cozy robes, and the quilts and stuff. But I feel like Aldi's has that for a lot less, so I didn't get it. But tomorrow I want to go to TJ Maxx, see about those blue lights. I'm making steak now. Watching YouTube. So I seasoned it with garlic, sazon, adobo, and banged it. Pop, pop, pop. I got some rice cooking, but I was in the mood for steak. I wanted my husband to do it. I wanted my husband to do it out in the grill, but it's already dark. Like, it's already nighttime. So I was like, nah, I'll just do it on the stove. I don't like to do it on the stove. But I was like, whatever. So I'm gonna end this here. I'm just trying to get my foot wet on trying to vlog daily and get into that. So let's see how tomorrow goes.